Alright, Ken, we got your xquad here. We're going to go over a quick flight test video for you. Got your DX7S right here, and we're going to go over some of the switches and their functions. You got your flap switch right here. In your 0 position or all the way up, it default starts out in GPS mode. So then you're going to, if you flick that down to the middle position, that's your attitude mode. All the way down is manual. In any one of those 3 flight modes, flicking this switch right here will put you into a return to home failsafe mode. Your gear switch right back here will give you intelligent orientation control. So no matter which way your quad is facing or which direction it's facing, your orientation will remain the same when you give it aileron and elevator movements on your controller here. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this on, and it'll come up and it's ready to go. And then we're going to plug in your xquad here, and you've got your LED indicator that's right under here, and that whole setup right there is where you're going to plug into the computer, and you'll see your indicator status here. So we've got your controller on. We're going to plug in the xquad. Okay. Now you can see we got the green light, so it's in GPS mode and it's ready to go. And I've just got a little 3-minute timer set just for this video. You push this button here and that begins your timer. Okay? Pushing both sticks together will start your quad like this. Give it some gas. All right. Awesome. Got your LED lights there. And as you can see, very stable. Okay. Just gonna adjust it right about there. Awesome. Very, very stable. Holding their position real well. That's really smooth. Alright, we're gonna fly around a little bit and give it a little test. Alright, here we go. This is GPS mode. Awesome. Okay, we'll go into attitude mode. And we'll just let her hover right there for just a second, which she does very well. Okay, flick this into the middle position. Now we're in attitude mode. And we've got a lot more agility. More speed. And that's what the orange blinking light indicates. Okay, we'll bring it on back down here. Okay. And we'll go back into GPS mode here for this demonstration. Now we know it knows where we took off at, so we'll go back up into GPS mode right here. Okay, and we're going to do the return to home. So that's that fail-safe switch right there. Here it is. I don't have any control over it. You can see that no matter what I do here. Now what it's doing is it's bringing itself back, coming back to where it started, and it's going to land and shut off the motors, which is pretty neat. And she flies awesome. It's going to lower itself down a few feet every few seconds there. If we had more time, we could go up through the cloud line, and that'd be pretty neat. We got our timer for the video counting down there. And you'll like that because it has a vibration feature as well as it goes back up. Okay. Now the grass is a little bit wet, so I'm not going to let it land there. So what I'm going to do is flick this back up and get control here. And what we'll do is we'll bring it in We'll set it down right here. Awesome. And then the motors will shut off there. And that's all there is to it. Again, starting the motors is putting them into the center. You can wait a few seconds. If you don't give it gas, they'll shut off. That's awesome. Again, that was your flight test video. If you have any questions at all, just let me know. And she flies like a dream. So, awesome. Thanks.